Today we're going to go over our top 5 favorite parts of our interior van build. To start off, we have our shower / bathroom counter cabinet here. Flips up like that. So we have a T-handle right here. It just comes down, latches right onto there and holds that up. Now this is very convenient, especially for a smaller van. Gives you more added counter space and it just gives a feeling more openness. We do like it overall. Mel in particular would prefer a better drainage system. We have a doggy bath, which does work, but I can see the drainage system maybe working better for full time when you're on the road for years and years, that sort of thing.
Another thing on our top favorite things, especially if you have a smaller van, like this one isn't too large, it's 19 feet, is a Murphy bed. So as you can see right now, there is lots of space. I can pretty much walk from the back all the way to the front. So this definitely helps if it's raining or something. It just keeps the bed out of the way. So it's super nice to be able to have a small van but still have all this space in here. If we had a longer van, closer to maybe 24 feet or something, we would consider a stationary bed just because of extra storage you get. So it depends on if you like open area space, more livable space, or more storage space. But since the van is this size, we do like our Murphy bed.
Next up we have our inverter. We have a 4,000 watt inverter that allows us to use our microwave. When we had our cycle boards, we charged those on that. We can use our Instant Pot, all sorts of things. So we definitely recommend getting a higher wattage one in order to be able to do those sorts of things and not have to worry about. The nice thing about the 4,000 watt inverter is that you don't have to worry about drawing too much power.
Like Abe was saying, the inverter is strong enough for our microwave, which microwave is one of our top favorite things because it is super handy to warm up foods and those types of things. It's not a super huge one, but good enough that it doesn't take too much space. We have it connected to the inverter is how to power it, turns on, so it's not running all the time, so it doesn't take power while it's just sitting there. We don't always get to be able to use it if our power is too low, if we don't get enough sunlight, those type of things, but we still would definitely like to have the microwave in a van build. And something that you may not even think about or consider while building your van is a heater. We have a diesel heater. It runs off of our diesel tank. This we are very thankful for because sometimes at night it gets very cold. We do chase the weather most of the time when we're traveling, but sometimes in the evening, like when we were in Colorado, it got down to about 30 degrees at night. So this keeps us toasty warm inside. And it is very efficient and hardly takes any gas, yet warms this place up very quickly.